It's Christmas morning and it's time for us to open up our Christmas presents. I hope you all enjoy watching us. I'm going to enjoy
unboxing gifts.
Hmm?
We're doing unboxing.
We are doing unboxing, also known as opening. So,
This gift came from kids' family. That's why it's a lot.
this one is for Mildred, and this is from Shauna and Dwayne. And from me, from Shauna and Dwayne. Oh, this one here I think is Mildred. From me. Didn't I say something about you already had all your Christmas presents? Now you got all these extra ones? All right. No idea. That's for me. Okay. And
That's for you.
it's for me. And I think this is just giving it out to you because it's opening. I have a feeling it's not mine.
This is mine. Personal gift for me.
No, you bought it for yourself. That's a Christmas present from you to you? What? No,
Let's together.
well, it's just kind of handy what was inside. It's already wrapped up inside.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, who goes first?
Is this one right?
I
This
think
is
that's
yours?
right. Yes. Well, no. These are behind me. All right. Yep. Here we go.
It's yours.
Shauna and Dwayne again. This is for both of us, so I'll let you have that one. And this was another from Shauna and Dwayne.
You guys, I have these.
And Shauna and Dwayne.
And these.
Honey, you don't have enough room for all of these.
This is my gift.
These are also her gifts. Oh. Here we go. All right. So, you want to open yours first, and then I'll one of yours, and then one of mine, or we just open them together?
You open my. I'll do it first.
Okay, go ahead.
This is Shauna and Dwayne.
Shauna and Dwayne gave you, I think, a lot more than I was really expecting. I didn't read the cards before.
Thank you guys. Much appreciated.
Yes. Everything very much appreciated. Being able to stay with you and Shauna and Dwayne and Cody at their house when I was home for 3 weeks.
It's a cloth.
It's a cloth. Oh, that looks like maybe a dress or something cloth.
Uh-oh.
Oh, a velvet.
Uh-oh.
Hey, that looks nice.
Thank you.
That's soft.
Thank you.
Okay. My turn? All right. I got something here from Shauna and Dwayne.
It's a bottle.
Oh, Euphoria for Men. Actually, I gave some of this to my mom. I can see that it actually went through the airport. It's got dents in the bottle, but it still has it.
Ah, it's a perfume.
Woo! Smells good. Yeah, it's a cologne, I
Okay.
think. All right, your turn.
No. I do it. Shauna and Dwayne first.
However you want to do it is okay.
Okay. Next. Another cloth.
Yeah. Well, did you use it for cleaning or what?
Oh, it looks like it's a set.
Oh,
Wow.
another dress. Oh, look at the.
I like it.
This must be the front.
Yeah.
I was going to say the other side would probably be too much cleavage.
Thank you.
That's pretty. Okay. My.
There's more.
Oh. Packing more than one gift per package.
Wow, I like it. My favorite one. It's romper. I like romper.
A romper.
You know my type. I like my rompers.
We had a kids show that was on TV USA, Romper Room. That was for children, but it's not for children.
Okay.
My turn?
Okay.
Your turn.
My turn again.
If you want.
'Cause
I
I
don't
have
have as much. Yeah, you have a hell of a lot. Shauna and Dwayne again.
And then
Shauna and Dwayne again. They went overboard for Mildred this year. That's good.
Wow. Thank you. Wow.
Isn't that a pretty purse?
Thank you.
Yeah, just what I was saying. She's got too many purses. There we go. Another purse.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, well.
Okay, where's our here? To Kate and Mildred, Shana and Dwayne.
Okay.
We open together. It's just
All right.
bullet. We
Okay.
open the first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Open.
Oh. Home.
Home is where you drop
the
your anchor.
That's
it.
nice.
That's good.
Look.
That's a door stopper. You put it in front of the door so it won't close.
Nice.
And we've got one more in here. And it's, guess what? It's a sailboat. Here you go.
It's
Isn't
a
that
Tamarico.
nice? Is that, I don't think
No,
so.
I thought it's a carbon.
No, see, no. This is a sloop. Got spinnaker, mast, deck, jib sails, rudder, centerboard, shows the boat.
Where's mom? Mom.
Mom? That's a gift to mom?
Yeah. From, I guess,
Mildred from mom. Okay. That's not to mom, it's from mom, so it's right. I thought maybe we got something we were supposed to give mom.
wow.
Yes, see? I think I know what this is. Mom showed me this.
Ay! That's nice. Big. That's nice.
It's a crucifix bracelet.
Thank you.
Open up a couple more.
This one said this is for kids.
It's for me? It's from me.
Family that, sorry.
Okay. That's what I say, you're opening up my present. Yes, you like that cross bracelet, don't you?
Guys. Oh, mommy. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's the same as my other one too.
It should match pretty close.
And this one.
You're welcome. Look at this one. This looks nice and fancy. Did you do this yourself?
Yes.
All right. I'm gathering this must be from Mildred. Right. I think we might have another use for the scissors here in just a minute. Okay. Yep. Let me have those scissors.
This one.
Must be delicate. Is it tied in on the bottom too? It is.
Eh. No, it's better. There we go.
Okay. And in the paper. Whoa! Statue of a naked woman, exactly what I wanted. No, actually, this is.
You said you wanted, so I just bought it.
Yeah. Actually, this is India Catalina. India Catalina was actually the wife of the first governor here in Cartagena, Colombia. And obviously she was a native woman. There is a statue, looks just like this, that both Mom and Shauna and us have seen here in Colombia. It's a good souvenir from Cartagena. Thank you, honey.
Welcome. Okay, next.
Go ahead, open up.
Oh, my husband. Sorry.
Now that's the way you make a knot. So somebody can open it.
Go for it.
Yeah, we got some rocking and a rolling. Had a wheel fall over. It's okay. I know. I remember what this one was.
Honey. Hey.
Got
That's why.
this one. Alright. Let's see what this one is. I've seen this before. Okay, this is a shirt and a shorts combination. And frankly, it's got the same pattern as another one that I have as far as the shirts, pretty well, and another one that Mildred has. So, well, I guess we're going to end up being a matching pair. Workout clothes.
Workout clothes.
Okay, we'll do this one first.
This is together because we don't know who.
Rob, I can make a pretty good guess who.
Okay. We open together.
Okay.
Wait, this one. I guess that's for me.
And I guess this is for me. I think it will look cute. I might have to add a few extra socks right there. But...
Hey, thank you.
From me. You were just saying that you wanted to have this game, find this game, like about, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. And I bought it to her when I was in the United States and brought it in. You got it. Of course, in a rocking boat, Gina's got an extra amount of difficulty.
I know Shana. Thank you.
That's a massager. An electrically operated massager.
Okay, honey. Thank you guys for the gifts.
Thank you, everybody, especially Shauna, considering you went overboard. Love you all.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.